Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stephen Bore and I am working as a clinical perfusionist since last 13 years. And also I am author of 2 books based on clinical perfusionist. Today's topic is connectors. What is connectors? Connectors are designed to allow the connection of tubings and parts of cardiopulmonary bypass system for continuity of CPB circuit. Sizes and types of connector. These are the basically for fresher perfusionists who has just passed from the perfusion course. I am going to explaining the main sizes of the connector. First is half size. This is the bigger size in the connector. Second is 3/8 size. Third is 1/4 size. And fourth is 3/16 size. Fifth is 1/8 size. 1/8 size is the smallest size in the connector. Shape of connectors. First is straight connector, second is Y connector, third is straight connector with lever lock, fourth is Y connector with lever lock. These are the sizes and types of connector. I hope this information will help you in perfusion career. In next video, I am going to tell you how to search the connector fast in emergency situation. Please stay connected with me for more video related perfusion. Thanks for watching.